Konnichiwa minasan. Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn some useful phrases which you can use when you travel in Japan. Let's start. The first expression is sumimasen. Sumimasen. Sumimasen is excuse me. So you can use this even when you want to call somebody or you want to ask something. Sumimasen. Next is onegai shimasu. This is a very useful phrase when you want something or you want to request somebody to give you something. Misu onegai shimasu. Water, please. Misu onegai shimasu. Kien seki onegai shimasu. Kien seki is no smoking seat. Please give me a no smoking seat. In a restaurant, you may use this phrase. Kien seki onegai shimasu. Some more expressions using onegai shimasu. When you want to ask for a menu onegai shimasu. Menu onegai shimasu. After your meal, you would like to request for a bill. Okaikei onegai shimasu. Okaikei onegai shimasu. Next phrase is doko desu ka? When you are looking out for a place, you want to know the place. You can say eki wa doko desu ka? Eki is railway station. So you want to know where is the railway station. Eki wa doko desu ka? Indo no restaurant wa doko desu ka? Indo no restaurant wa doko desu ka? The next phrase is while shopping, you would like to know the price. So asking price, you use this phrase, ikura desu ka? Ikura desu ka? What's the price? What's the cost? Kore wa ikura desu ka? Kore is this. How much is this? Kore wa ikura desu ka? The next phrase is arimasu ka? Do you have or is there? Is there an ATM in the convenience store? So to ask that, you say ATM arimasu ka? ATM arimasu ka? If you would like to have vegetarian food in a restaurant, you may ask them, do you have vegetarian food? Vegetarian ryori wa arimasu ka? Vegetarian ryori wa arimasu ka? The next is, if you would like to pay by card or would like to pay by cash, you may ask, Kado de haraimasu ka? Kado de haraimasu ka? Genkin is cash. Genkin de haraimasu ka? Genkin de haraimasu ka? Suppose you want to take permission to take a picture in a museum or any other place. Phrase is, Shashin o totte mo ii desu ka? Shashin o totte mo ii desu ka? The next one, if you would like to ask somebody if they can speak English, Eigo ga hanasemasu ka? Eigo ga hanasemasu ka? Most useful phrase to thank somebody, arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. That's all for today. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimashita.